Man, that took longer than it was supposed to. I ended the screen recording. But we got an order just came through. Let me get my screen recording up. Boom. The screen recording is up. Let's show you. Look. Oh my God. I ain't never. Estimated time 143 minutes. $15 an active hour. 32.2 miles. PetSmart. Petco. Wow. If it was ever an order to crank that glitch on, this is the one. That's crazy. I had to grab a screenshot. Let me shut down Netflix. I was about to watch TV. So you go right there, you hit app info. So your app settings, your app manager pop up where your installer is. You know how your app is installed into your phone. Wherever you go to force stop, that's where it's gonna take you to. Now shut Doordash down. You see that? Now go back in there, hit force stop. We finna let that time all the way out. That was a double order, a stack. So they give you like 70 seconds on that. So we finna wait a whole 60 seconds on that bad boy. That's crazy. Did y'all see that? Let me pull that screenshot back up because that was crazy. I ain't never. $32 and 32.2 miles for $15 an active hour. 143 estimated minutes. That's 2 hours and 20 minutes. Ain't no tip on these orders. You gonna make $30 for 2 hours? Oh no. Throw that right in the trash can. That's crazy. Boy, that's crazy. DoorDash out here tweaking, boy. Boy, they out here tweaking. I don't even know what to say about that. I don't even know what to say. That's absolutely crazy. So I gotta wait. You know what? Just to be safe, I'm gonna wait a whole 60 extra seconds. Cause that's absolutely crazy right there. I ain't never seen a 64-mile round trip and they gonna give you, it ain't gonna, that's crazy. They talking about estimated time. Like, no. Petco and PetSmart got them ready. As soon as you get there, they gonna be like, all right, go ahead and start driving. If you don't, contract violation. Cause you finna get done early. Even if it took you the whole 2 hours, you still driving 65 freaking miles. So you gonna make $30 for driving 65 miles and it took you 2 hours to do it? Or let's just say best case scenario, you get it done in 1 hour, now you done made $15. Yes, it took you less time, but you still drove 60 miles because you gotta come back to where you started. Man, look. That's crazy right there. Has it been 60 seconds yet? That's great. Let me open my screenshot up again just so I can check the timestamp on that order. 11:59 is when they sent it, and I had 55 seconds left. So they sent it at 11:59. It is 12:02 now, so I should be good. Let me open this Dash app back up. That's crazy. That might be the actual. And look, as you can see, I'm paused. They did not end my Dash. Let's resume that. Yes, sir. Let's hop back in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because what you got to realize is don't let DoorDash dictate what you do. Yes, I know I missed the delivery. I'm glad I missed it. Now look, 6-mile delivery. That's way better. That's way better right there. A 6-mile delivery, that's way better. But guess what? I still don't want it. Crank that DoorDash glitch. Stop playing with me. Open that up, app info. Swipe that up, close that down. Then we're going to hit force stop. Boom. And now that we hit force stop, we just going to wait it on out. We just going to sit here and chill and wait it out. That was a regular order. You know, it wasn't a stack, so they didn't have an extra 10 seconds on it. So it's just a 60-second order. I see 12:04. I'm going to wait to 12:06 to be safe. Once I see 12:06, hit that Dasher app, pop that mug back open. Somebody else is taking that 10-mile delivery. Not this Dasher, that's for sure. So all you Dashers out there on Earn by Time, taking them long distance deliveries, trying to justify it in your head and mad on the drive back, you ain't got to do it no more. FDA Dash and Trader just hooked you up with the latest DoorDash glitch to make that money on Earn by Time and not waste your time driving and waste your gas money like you making $15 an active hour. Come on now. When you driving 10, 20 mile round trips, that's gonna cost you about $7 in gas. Unless you driving a Geo Metro. What you out there pushing? What kind of car you driving out there? Throw it in the comments below. Because they got me messed up. What time did I say I had to wait to? 12:04? It's 12:05 now. I think I said 12:06. I'm gonna give it 20 more seconds. Because I don't trust DoorDash. I don't. I'm gonna give it 20 more seconds because I just don't trust them. They be playing too much. You know? I need to make sure that order nice and gone. Clear it off my screen. You know? Because I ain't going 6 miles away to the college campus. No! I'm not going 32 miles away. No! No, DoorDash is not happening. Let me see. I think that's been enough time. Dasher, hop right back in there like swimwear. Come on now. Hell yeah. I'm going to keep on doing it too. So look, you seen it right there. I just declined multiple orders in a row. Still got the screen recording going. So, you know, maybe they'll send me a 1 mile order next. Maybe they won't. But the point is, use this to your advantage, guys, to make that money and to not let DoorDash, you know, take advantage of you with no Vaseline and send you all the way up in there. Look! They sent me that same order right back. It's a triple now. I ain't never seen nothing like this in my life. It's a damn triple. It's a damn triple now. It's a damn triple now. PetSmart, Snooks, Petco. 34.8 miles. Bruh, this is crazy. This is crazy. That motherfucker say deliver by 2:49. That's 3 hours away. I can't wait to make this video. I can't wait to put this screen recording together, overlap it with this video. You know, I'm probably not even gonna do a whole bunch of editing. But look, let's go ahead and crank that glitch one more time, just for the sake of the people in the back who might have pulled up late. You late to the show? Let's show you. Boom, we hit app info. Now we close DoorDash down, and now we hit force stop. I think it was like 30 or something seconds left on there. Look, it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead, close that down. And that's it, because they got me messed up. DoorDash, that's the first triple I done seen in a year. That's the first triple order I done seen in a year. And I got the nerve to... How much time I got left? Let me wait, like... My screen recording time will say 8 minutes. I'm gonna wait 30 more seconds. DoorDash, you got to do better. You got to do better, man. And Dashers, new Dashers, don't be taking these orders. If I seen that and I was on Earn by Time before I found out about this, you best believe I'm declining that. And then if they send me another 10-mile order, I'm thinking to myself like, damn, now I got to take this trash or I ain't even going to be able to dash. No, not no more. Me, I was just like, hey, fuck it. If they send me 2 trash orders, it's over with. I'm done. Now, not no more. That's absolutely crazy, DoorDash. You should be ashamed of yourself. Got me out here spilling my Red Bull all on my microphone. Oh my God. That's how bad this is. I done spilled the Red Bull on the microphone. Because this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Hold on. Let me make sure my microphone good. You know what? It'll be all right. We got to go back into this Dash app. We got to go right back in there and see what's going on. Still paused. That mug still ain't said I declined the order, because guess what? I ain't. Right back in. I just want to see what they send me next. Because I'm just appalled at this point. I just want to see what they send me next. This is absolutely crazy, y'all. There we go. Look. We got 3.8 miles at Subway. You know what? After all that booty butthole trash I just seen, I'm going to go ahead and just take that. End the video with that. Thank you for watching this video. Crank that DoorDash glitch on DoorDash's ass. And don't drive 35 miles away. Don't take a 3-hour delivery either. What the hell is going on, man? I'm out of here.